I might not take a trade today because look what the market is doing. We did this lower high, then we formed this lower low. Then we did a change of character right there because we broke this lower high right here and we formed a higher low. Then we go up here, we got a higher high. We broke structure, right? We broke this weak high, which we were supposed to do. Then it get really interesting. We came down here and we did a change of character right there because we broke that previous low. So that tells me we can potentially go on the downside. So then what we do, lower high, lower low, and we go back up to this previous high. Now what that tells me is now we just ranging. Now we're doing something like this, right? We can do something like this. Just keep going sideways. This is called going sideways. Now until we break this higher high, or we go down here and break this higher low, then I'm pretty much going to stay out the market and just see exactly what's going on because I trade supply and demand, aka I trade imbalances in the market. So if there's no imbalance, if we don't have a clear direction, it's going to be super hard for me to make some type of trade. And this is where patience come in big time. You have to be patient when it comes to the market. I've been trading less than a year and almost a year now. I just got my payout, my first payout in January of 2,300. So I feel real good about that. I trade prop firms, aka I trade the instrument I trade is futures, but I trade prop firms, meaning I use the broker's money to make money. Because when I first got into trading, I thought you need a whole bunch of money to start trading. I think I leveraged about 5,000, lost it in 2 months. Robinhood trading options. So I had a really tough time getting into trading. My older brother introduced me to trading, and I thought it was a great way for me to start making some money, put some money into an asset, and start day trading. Now, again, day trading is all about patience. So what I'm about to go do right now, I'm about to go get a good workout in while I wait in my office.
2 hours later.
Ooh-wee. Now, this is the hardest part about trading. Sitting on your hands. Did you know actually doing nothing is doing something? It's the hardest part because it requires patience and discipline. So sit on your hands. So right now we let the market do what it do. As you can see, we still are in this area, this internal structure that we're currently doing right now. Just moving sideways. All we're doing is moving sideways. Now, with that being said, all we do is wait. Now, I do see a demand area right here. I see a good imbalance going up, but I would like for this imbalance to go up and break structure. I want this swing high broken. Right now, we did make a fair value gap, which is right here. We did an impulsive move, but I want this to break this structure. Then I want it to come back down, hit this demand area, so we can get a move up. That's what I'm looking for. So until that happens, I have to sit on my hands. Now, it may not even happen today, and I have to be okay with that, right? So whether you're doing a live account, an express account, aka funded account, a compound account, you have to be able to sit on your hands because doing nothing is actually doing something. Right now, I got something to eat. I worked out. I did all that. Right now, I just wait. And if that move doesn't happen today, now it might go up. It might go up. It might not come back down here. It might go here and go back up. You just never know, right? It's all about probability. You don't want to try to predict the market. You just mark your areas. You look for your setups and you sit on your hands at the end of the day. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. It's a fight that you will have to fight every single day of your life as you trade it. Just understand that and know that. So we're going to fight this fight. We're going to sit. We're going to be patient because, again, this is a long-term game that we're playing. There's no rush. There will be other opportunities in the market. That's something I have to learn the hard way, too, and continue to learn that lesson.
and it's going to happen. Of course, it just wicked me out. Just get out the zone. And now it's going up. Would have hit full TP. And that's trading for you right there. I got in this trade because it finally made an imbalance on the 5-minute chart right here. Made a small imbalance. And again, this is going to happen. It just got out my zone. If I would have made it just a little bit, sometimes I'll go a little bit outside the zone. But I had it right here, right on the zone. So as you can see, it created an imbalance. Went up, came back down to this imbalance. Exactly what I was looking for. Came right back down to this imbalance. But unfortunately, it wicked me out. And now it would have hit 4 TP. So that's going to happen, man. You just got to suck it up. Again, that was like a 2-to-1 trade. Almost a 3-to-1 trade. I was only risked 182. So, won a trade and I'm done. And that's it.